Hey, what's going on, guys? Jordan here, back with another video. Today we have another unboxing video. Let me go ahead, grab the box, we're gonna get right into it. So as you guys can see right here, big box right here. I don't know why they sent it in a big box for, but we got these in from Dick's Sporting Goods. So they took about 5 days to get here, but it's okay. It was a lot quicker than the DNP Jordan 6s. Those took like 2 weeks to get here. These took 5 days, so and they shipped the same day too. They're supposed to come in yesterday and it got delayed, but got them in 5 days. So go ahead, crack these guys open, show you guys them, and get up out of here. The box is already half open, so I don't even need this this knife, but we're already in. So put the knife away so I don't stab myself. Go ahead. Whole lot of paper in here. Imagine this would be 2 pairs. Got the paper right here, receipt right there, and my box is messed up a little bit. They sent me the right size, that's good. As you guys can see right there, go ahead, take these guys out of the box, toss them to the back. Yeah, the box is a little dinged up right there, but it's all good. But you already know what's going on in here. Air Jordan 5 Retro, size 9, retail was $220. On Dick's Sporting Goods, it was free shipping, so they were $15.99 after tax. You guys can see the reflection of the camera right there. I can't really help that. So you guys can see that's the box. Go ahead, crack these guys open. Oh yeah, these are heat. So I got these for my friend. Oh yeah, these are fire. Definitely fire with the Nike Air on the back. You know what's going on. Size 9 though, these are small. Like, I wear a 11. I haven't worn a pair of Jordan 5s in a while actually, but Jordan 1s I wear 11. But Jordan 5s I probably need 11. These are definitely really small. So get close up, look on these. Nike Air on the back, reflective tongue, icy outsoles. I used to have the version with the red outsole. I forgot what year those were, but I used to have those. I had the Fire Red 4s, Fire Red 3s. So I had the whole Fire Red series just about. The last time these released was 2013? 2014? No, 2012. 2012. I think it's 2012. Show these guys to you up close real quick, and then we're going to get up out of here. So Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, the 2020 with the Nike Air on the back. Looking good. The leather quality is good. From what I can feel, it's pretty soft. Reflective tongue, red shark teeth, icy outsole, Nike Air on the insole as well. As you guys can see, I believe that's a black out insole, right? Can't tell if that's black or red. Yeah, that's black. Black midsole. These are clean. Definite heat. Like, even if you don't like Jordan 5s, can't say the Fire Red 5s are not fire. It's in the name. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap this video. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, resale page, and clothing brand page. Everything will be in the description below. Clothing brand page, Fizz, New York. New drop is live on the site. Link will be in the description below. Go shop up. It ships in like 2 to 3 weeks because it is a pre-order. And with this whole thing going on in the world right now, it might take a little bit longer than that, but just say 2 to 3 weeks minimum for you to get your shirts in. But anyway, guys, hope you guys all enjoyed. Again, do all that stuff. Like the video, comment. Were you guys able to secure these? Like I said, I got these in a size 9. I'm selling them to my friend. Fire Red 5s. See you guys in the next video. Peace.